everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Georgia from Georgia's Shenanigans. Today I thought I would show you how to make a keychain or key ring using some amethyst beads. These are actually, they're amethyst, but they're actually a little bit different to what amethyst normally looks like. But anyway, so they're 10mm, so you need 3 10mm, then 3 8mm, and 3 6mm. So not much required in the way of beads. You need a length of wire, however long you want to make your keychain really. A couple of little spacer beads, a couple of crimps, crimp covers, a lobster clasp, and this is a gourd, it's called. They're a religious item in some cultures. They actually unscrew. So there's a little pot there at the bottom. You can put herbs in it or essential oils or whatever you sort of want to use it for. So that's that. They're really cute. It's just made of brass. So to begin, we put a crimp on your wire and then feed on your gourd. You could use wire guardians if you wanted to, but this wire is it's about a 0.7mm, so it's quite thick. I always use a thicker wire on things like key rings and sun catchers and whatnot. Now, you probably don't want to put your crimp all the way down to your gourd. You want to leave it a little bit of room to move. So just pop it on like that. Grab your crimping pliers. Give it a crimp. Now when you're crimping, always make sure that your wires aren't crossed inside your crimp. So you can see that mine haven't crossed over. And then your crimping pliers have got these other little notches to help you fold the crimp over. Can be a little bit difficult sometimes. Okay, so our crimp is now folded over. You could choose to just leave it like that. I always put crimp covers on them. So grab your crimp cover. These are just a little 4mm cover. Pop it onto your crimp. Close it up very gently. I normally use stainless steel crimp covers, but these ones are obviously not stainless steel. The stainless steel ones are quite tough, quite hard, but these brass ones are fairly soft. So that's that on there. Now we're going to feed the beads from small to large. So we're going to put the 3 large ones at the bottom. Sorry, that's my dog. Then one of the spacers and the 3 8mm. And a spacer. And then the 3 small ones. Once again, I don't have my glasses. I always forget my glasses. Okay, so we want to now go back down to the end here, and we want to feed the tail of the wire through the beads. You can cut it off at the crimp. I usually feed it back through 2 or 3 beads, just a little bit of extra security, although, you know, who knows if it is actually extra security or just makes me feel better. So pop on your other crimp, your lobster clasp. Now this wire may or may not go through these small beads, but we'll give it a shot. It's a very tight fit. So I'll just put it through one, if it'll let me, because the wire's so thick, it's not really too happy about going through twice, but that's okay. So pull it down to your beads. That should be quite enough. Crimp it off. Leaving your lobster a little bit of room to move. And cut your wire off. You should always check your crimp actually before you trim your wire. But I know just from how mine's gone on that it's pretty well secured. So there we have that. Now we'll pop on the other crimp cover. Sometimes these cooperate and they close up nicely, and then other times they don't. Really not my favourite thing, crimp covers, but they look better than just having a crummy old squashed crimp sitting on your wire. Okay, so there you have it. One lovely new bag chain. So you can put these, you can use them for your keys, obviously. You pop a slip ring on the end here. You can pop them on your handbag, your backpack, your nappy bag. You can attach them to your phone, where I attach my little phone charm is at the bottom of your case. There's little holes that where you talk through, and you can usually get your lobster clasp or a little split ring or a jump ring through those holes, and you can attach it to your phone that way. But anyway, there you have it. So if you could like and subscribe would be fabulous. And other than that, have a wonderful day, have a safe week, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much.